How are you all? Welcome back to Coins Alert, your place to get your crypto fix. I'm Ripple Van Winkle, and I'm your boss. I hope everyone is having a great day. It's a new week and almost the end of June, which means winter is almost over. In the summer, there will be a huge change in crypto. Note it down. Take notes. We're going to talk about moving. We are going to talk about the drops we are seeing right now and how close we were to calling it. You should also know about the crypto leak we got. Visa and Trangelo are Bitcoin bulls. Why do they look at that? We need to get things done. We need to talk about a lot of things. Don't wait any longer. Sit back and take it easy. Let's get started. Bitcoin. Oh boy, it's getting beat up. The market is going down. It's lost $71. It is down 5.6% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is worth $3,313. It's lost 5.23%. We thought that USDT and USDC would be honest with you about where their dollar pegs were, and they were. XRP, okay, it's not too bad. At 47 cents, it's down 2.5%. Still have that magical we are getting close to the bottom of the buy box that we have been showing you. This box has been strong for months, even with all the other noise and nonsense in the crypto world. XRP has been keeping that box together well. Is this the bottom now? Wow, we're really close. I give up if this isn't the bottom. We told you to expect another 10 to 15% down at most. I don't know what the bottom will be. We're almost there. Taking 10% of 65, which is 65, away from 6,500, you get 58.5, which is the bottom. Area that I don't think we'll see again for a long time if we do reach those numbers. If we don't hold the close above 60,000, I told you to get the tissue box. That's still the case. Let's find out what Bitcoin wants to do. You can probably hear my dog huffing and puffing behind me. He just came back from a walk but won't take his medicine, so he's just whining and crying around the house. Yet another morning at Rep's house. Thanks for coming. Lucky I got my coffee. Total value of all cryptocurrencies, $2,252,000,000. Folks, the month is almost over, and there are only 6 days left. Don't overlook getting your LuxLines NFT. Why? As of July 1st, if you hold an NFT, you will get more extra P back the more you hold. That easy. But if you have NFTs from 90s cartoons, you'll be able to stake them when they become available. You will still get an extra P for holding it for now. Take a look at that and get them today. Listen up. This chance is about to end. Ask anyone who has been in LuxLines. We did things that no other NFT project on the XRP system has done, and we did them better. That's why our project is the biggest one out there. People go to shop.luxliansnft.com. How much will Ripple, Cardano, ETFs, and other things cost in the last week of June? Watch the Crypto Minute right now to read this new piece. I get a lot of my news from the cryptominute.com. As we move toward the last week of June, the crypto market is buzzing with price rumors. As a result, XRP, ADA, and the new ETFs have been closely watched as experts try to guess what the short and long-term prices of these altcoins might be. And buyers are taking advantage of the chance to get into the coins for a low price. The article then talks about how crypto investors are buying low and selling high on ETF swaps to take advantage of the newest market chances to make a little money by buying low and selling high. As we get closer, it says that XRP has been mostly dependent on how it reacts to the current court case with the SEC or on a possible win at the end of the case. The mood on XRP on the other hand, is bullish, as the business has had 3 partial wins in court. Recent events have also shown that the SEC suggested fine has been cut from $2 billion to $102.6 million. XRP and Ripple, on the other hand, are still insisting on a maximum of $10 million. What's the big drop from $2 billion to $102 million from the SEC? What do you think took place? They know they're crazy and won't get $2 billion. They're not getting more than $100 million either. 10,000 ripples is a good amount. Let's choose a spot. In the United States, XRP prices have been stable over the past week, even though the market has been very volatile. The price of the cryptocurrency is going up on a weekly basis, even though experts don't see any strong buying or selling movement. In a way, things have stopped for XRP. The sellers aren't sure if they want to keep lowering the price until it's too low. This is what they think it might be. People who want to short XRP don't stand to lose much money by doing so. Buyers are waiting to see if we can break through and have a bullish trend push us to the top. It says that XRP is worth about 48 cents right now. Cardano, on the other hand, has owners who are selling in a panic. Compared to other top altcoins, the cryptocurrency isn't doing as well. It looks like investors are finally going on to other types of investments. However, ADA is known as one of the more flexible blockchain networks out there. Let's look at ADA now. In the old days, this thing was worth 1 penny. It took place in 2017. Don't forget that you could have bought it for 1 penny. It went up to more than $3. ADA's move is going to be very powerful. I'm putting ADA in my bags. These deals are just too good to pass up. I'm not going to lie to you. It looks very good, especially when you think about where it will go in the bull cycle. These are the kinds of coins you should think about DCing. A lot of people are scared and afraid. They believe they are dead. They don't believe they will go anywhere. The next thing you know, they turn the corner, do a quick 2x, and then get back on their feet. After that, all of these items are brought back into the conversation. Where are all the talks right now? As you can see, it was on Bitcoin, and now it's on Ethereum, and that spot ETF is coming out in less than 2 weeks. After JP Morgan made a deal in Core Science, investors are becoming more interested in the Bitcoin mining industry. This is interesting. It just came out of the press. It says that Iris Energy is in the best situation to benefit from the chance in high-performance computing, such as AI. Bitcoin miners are getting a lot of new investors after the Core Scientific AI deals of CoreWeave. This is because the HPC/AI chance is growing. Investors are becoming more aware of the value of power access and the other uses that mining sites can have. What did Trump say? He said, well, Bitcoin is about to be made in the US. He's ready to take charge. There is no stopping him from moving crypto forward in the US. This would be a huge step forward and bring a lot of money into the markets. Let's see how many whiskey sets we still have. I think we have about 35 left. There is a sale price for the next 7 days, but I think it's only going to last for 5 days. Get them? The shipping is free. Anywhere in the world. That picture shows everything. The box, the stones, the bag, the tongs, and 2 cups with writing on them. Do not put it off. Send things anywhere in the world for free. The people who trade in Ethereum are buying a 4,000 call option as they wait for the new high. Says that a lot of buying was seen in Ether 4,000 calls that are ending in September. The bullish flow fits with predictions of high volatility. Why does this happen? It's easy. Everyone thinks that ETF will come out in the first week of July. We might get it before July 4th. We know it's coming. We know that the SEC did some more shady things. Part 2 of ETHgate is real. After that, we'll move on to this. We'll talk about the Transylvania Visa news and the Bitcoin fight in the next show to save time. It came out last night. This is really cool. It says there is a leak that shows crypto is getting ready for a big Biden flip before the Trump debate, which could cause the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP to go through the roof. There are rumors that President Biden might talk about crypto policy in his speech. In 3 or 4 days on Thursday, June 27th, what would happen if Biden changed the story? He first wants to get rid of crypto. He wants to leave the US with crypto. He has no idea what crypto is. After that, he changes the subject and starts to talk positively about crypto in the US. Since Trump is going in the right direction, I think he kind of has to at this point. There are a lot of people in the business. People with a lot of power who are positive about crypto and say they are going to vote for Trump because of his crypto policies. Here's what's going to happen with the debate on Thursday. It will be interesting to see what comes from this. This is the report. An important writer to Forbes wrote it. It says, since the collapse of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange in 2022, the price of Bitcoin has gone through the roof. It's hard to think that was so long ago. As if it were yesterday, it went back to its high point of 70,000. XRP's price has gone up almost 60%, and the price of Ethereum has more than doubled. Now, if we get any recognition or talk about Crypto Thursday during this argument, this is good news because it will help turn these markets around. Since we talked about how this could be the bottom level, it makes sense that the markets are about to turn around. We told you, and I'm sure I said it in the Patreon group, that we could see another 10 to 50% down at most. We're getting close to those numbers now. Since I made that call, I think we're down between 5 and 7%. So a little more red would be nice. But there is not much time left. There is only 100% left of time. I told you we can't get the bottom time just right.